with Alexis Schultz and the three toxic wastes. She will be attempting to put them all in her mouth at the same time and keep them in for as long as she can. Let's see her do it. Alexis, are you ready? Okay, get the three. You haven't even put it in your mouth yet. Me touching my tooth. That was one. Two. You have to eat that. Did you take them out of your mouth? She has them in her mouth. How do you feel, Alexis? Will you attempt this challenge ever again? I have like 5 trillion of them. I'm gonna do it like every day. Now, a word from our sponsor. Wait, never mind, just me. Everyone, I hope you like this video because I'm going to be doing the Toxic Waste Challenge. Alexis is going to send me 3 in an envelope, so Alexis is. That's me. Yeah, that's Alexis. That's Alexis who just like saw. Now, if you really do, if you want me to do it, please comment that you do, and I will see you all next time.